When I moved in here, this place needed a lot of work. You can see that my windows are all rotten, and they actually do leak if the rain hits the window at the wrong direction. And I don't have screens for every window, but the wood is really bad and dried out. And even though I'm thinking painting it might help, there's so many rotten sections, like here where the wood is just eaten away and barely holding together. My fence is falling apart. The wood is very old. And I actually had to lay flower pots all along this strip because this deck is so rotted and big pieces of wood are coming up with splinters that I put the flower pots on it so the dogs wouldn't step on it and get splinters. So the wooden deck needs to be ripped up. It was never put in properly from the previous owner, and this is pretty dangerous even for my granddaughter coming over. So that's my next big project. I'm going to try to come up with the money to redo this, or yank out the whole deck and just put in patio stone and grass for the dogs. And they certainly do enjoy laying in the sun.